Right now I'm going to show you how you can create an AI avatar for your YouTube faceless video channel. So within wasting of your time, in some few seconds, 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to do that without wasting your time. So if you come over to your phone, this is just using your own phone, you come over to Pinterest. This is Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest, I recommend you download it. Yes, if you have it, you download it, you go to Play Store, and once you come over to Play Store, you have to type Pinterest. See it. So once you come over it, you see it here. So my own need to update, but I won't do it for the sake of this video. So I just have to go straight to what we are here for. So at this point now, you come over to Pinterest, you click on Pinterest, and now if you come to Pinterest now, you see different pictures based on your desire and your interest. You can use other people own, and you can also have your own too. So if I'll click on this one, this is an AI avatar already made by someone. I don't like to use it, so I will just come over here and have this one. I think this one is okay. I'll try to go with this one. So at this point, so let's download it. We are done download it, so let's get it started. So at this point, we are done downloading our image. So after downloading the image, come down, we go back and go to ChatGPT, because we need to customize it. We need to change some other things on this image so it won't look like a copyright, so we can use it for our own YouTube faceless channel. So what we'll do now, we'll come over here, click on photos, click on photo, you click on this, and you come over to this place here. So allow it to load. Once you load, you don't need to type a lot of prompts. You just make sure you do this. That's your number one. You just click on where a max on its face, where a max on its face. That's just what we want you to do. I'll put it, I think putting on the marks on this kind of avatar face, it will be okay. Oh, let's just know what we'll do instead. So we just have to type on put on a max on its face. You don't need a lot of put on a max. This way you don't need to type a lot of prompts on this. Put on a max on its face, then you send it to ChatGPT to process the work for you. So that's just what we want to do right now. Let's pause the video for this. So this is what we got after passing information to AI. So what to do next is to download it over to our file using your own phone. You don't need a lot of work, you just need the ideas and the right process to start creating a faceless channel. Yes. Oh, network. You know, it's raining, that's why we're having some kind of network issue right now. So these are file. So we've gotten what we want. So what's the next now? We go to the next tab is aging this particular one. So if you don't have it, you can go over to Play Store and type this aging. You get it there. Yes, you see it here. I have it already. You see this particular one. Yes, then you click on it. I'll click on open. So after being loaded, so this is what we have here. We have some version or paid version, so you just have to do it the way you see it. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to click on this photo to video. So what we're going to do, we import our own image. Import this one, yes. So this is avatar script. So what do you want your avatar to be doing? What do you want it to be doing? Professional, constructive. So I think just paste this one here too. just generate.